Hey Siri, open my curtain.
Okay, done.
Yes, you should buy it. That's it. That's the review. Hey guys, Dan here with VittorTech, and this is the Switchbot Curtain. Just like you saw, it automatically opens and closes your curtains, making your regular curtains smart on a budget. I've got to say, I never actually minded the act of opening and closing my curtains, so this one is definitely not a need for everyone, but over my time testing, I've got to say, I really did enjoy it. So just like the rest of the Switchbot lineup, it's a really simple way to retrofit your home, making it smart. You just take this little device and you hook it on your curtain rod. It has a wheel that rolls along, allowing it to open and close. On the back, it has a sync button, a light sensor, and a USB-C for charging. And if you don't want to charge it, there's an optional solar pack which can come with it, which you can see here. It hooks onto the back and then plugs into that USB-C, so you never need to charge it. And that is a cool solution. However, I will mention that the battery itself without the solar pack is going to last you about 8 months. So you're probably not going to miss it if you don't want to spend the additional money. So this is it. You're going to hook it on your curtain rod, and then you do a quick calibration through the Switchbot app. First, you choose which way the curtain opens, and then you'll measure how long it should run before stopping. You'll do the same in reverse, and then it's ready to go. Just remember when you do buy to select the right curtain, because there's different Switchbot models depending on which one you have. Now the Switchbot curtain by default connects through Bluetooth, meaning you have to be within range if you want to open and close the curtain. If you want it to work through your network, which of course you will, then you need to buy the Smart Home Hub. And if you've used any smart home accessories before, this isn't a new concept for you. You buy the hub, it connects all of your Switchbot products to this hub, and then connects them to the internet, allowing them to work with any of your voice assistants, which you can see here. And it also opens up this whole new world of smart actions, including scheduling and smart automations and integrating with other Switchbot accessories, which we'll get to a little bit later on in this review. I will mention that with all of those smart home assistants, it does not natively support HomeKit. It does something similar through Siri shortcuts so that you can ask Siri, open kitchen curtain, but you can't activate it through the actual Apple Home app. If you did want to activate it through that, then go back to my channel and watch the Hoops tutorial where I show you how to integrate Switchbot into HomeKit. So back to the Switchbot app, you'll be able to fully open or close your curtains with the push of a button or any spot in between using the slider. You can set the Switchbot to automatically open or close based on light sensing or create a schedule based on time of day. There's also this feature called motion mode, where by default it's set to performance mode, where it runs really quickly, but it's louder because the motor has to work faster. Then there's silent mode, where it will work slower and be quieter. But in my opinion, the silent mode doesn't actually make it that much quieter. If you're a light sleeper and you have this set in the morning, it's probably going to wake you up regardless of what mode it's on. You can see the difference here. Personally, I haven't found the noise to be that different between the two modes. If you're in the same room, you're definitely going to hear it working. Optionally, you can get the Switchbot Remote, which I have here, and you can program it where each of these buttons opens or closes your curtains. I personally like having it because I can activate my curtains without having my phone nearby, and there's just something more satisfying about having a physical button to control this stuff versus needing to always use your phone. If you want to get really advanced and you're buying a bunch of Switchbot products, then you're going to use what's called a scene. And that's basically Switchbot's version of an automation, saying, if this condition is met, then do this. For example, I set up a wake up scene where the condition is 6 a.m. and when that time hits, it opens my curtains fully and it turns on my coffee maker using my Switchbot bot. If you want to see more on how to set up those scenes or other reviews on Switchbot lineups, then be sure to go back and check all those videos out and hit subscribe so that you don't miss out on those videos as they come up. You can even use their smart temperature sensor to adjust a scene based on a temperature. So say your house is getting too hot, it can automatically close the curtains to accommodate that. So there's a lot of potential in Switchbot products, especially if you're new to the smart home realm. These are ways that you can sort of retrofit your existing products and make them smart. It's an exciting way to take that initial step into the smart home market without spending thousands of dollars to do so. The Switchbot curtains are a particularly innovative way to automatically open and close your curtains. And if you are buying these, I highly recommend getting that smart home hub because it opens up so many possibilities that aren't there if you're just connecting through Bluetooth. Still, if it's on its own, it's going to work well just over Bluetooth. Thank you to Switchbot for sending over their entire lineup for reviews. If you're new here, remember to hit that subscribe button to see more videos like this from me, and hit the like button because it tells YouTube that videos like this don't suck. If you have questions about the Switchbot lineup or anything I've covered in this review, leave it in the comments and I'll be sure to get to that as soon as I can. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.